Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We got a random pack opening today. Shout out of the video goes to Tiger727, a baseball card channel. Look a bit inside the video, go over somewhat, watch his videos. We're just going to get right into this and hopefully it won't take all day. Start off with a 26 Series 2. Put the pile over here. Alright, Aaron Nola, a Logan Henderson, Future Stars, Joey Cantillo, Nick York, Andy Pages, Nick Fortes, Beantown Buds, Nick Allen, Connor Norby, a backwards card, which is a Clayton Keller, so that'll be the first hit. Was a Cornel rookie card and a Raciel Iglesias. And as always, if I missed something, let me know. So this was a quote-unquote free pack from Dave and Adams, a Score a Treat. I don't really know what to expect. I don't think I've ever seen these opened. I don't really know what I'm even looking at in these, but who knows? Who knows? Maybe something. I'm throwing stuff. Hold on. Alright, let's see what we got here, what this is. Nick Bolton, Chase Brown, and a rookie of Damian Martinez. So I don't think there's anything in the... I think this is just all base, I think. So we're going to say there's no hit in that pile. Alright, and we have a 26 National Hockey Card Day. Okay, we have Ivan Demidov, Berkeley Catton, I don't even know who that is, Easton Cowan, a Artyom Levshinov, a Jimmy Snuggerud, and a checklist. So I'm going to say there's nothing in that pack either. Didn't really expect it. So we've got a 26 Bowman for baseball. Alright. Jackson Merrill. There's a Bowman Chrome 100, top 100 of Aiden Miller. So I believe that's going to be a hit. And then right behind it is another hit of Shohei Ohtani, Bowman Sterling. It's not numbered, but it's a neat card. Christopher Polenko, Coy James, Bowman first there. Zach Wheeler, first Bowman. Miguel Mendez, and Riley Nelson, first Bowman. So, again, not a baseball guy. Maybe some of those chromes or something. I don't know. This was another quote-unquote free Dave and Adams pack. Pack of Score. I think this is 2011 if I remember correctly. Opened these free Score packs before. Laren Landry, Brad Smith. Let's see. Arielios Ben, Colt McCoy. In the Zone, Arian Foster. I think that is probably the hit of the pack. Well, I'm going to put it in the hit pile anyways. Let's see. Denarius Moore, rookie, and Santana Moss. Alright. We've got a pack of 1819 Synergy. Saber on the back. Jacob Zadrill, rookie. A numbered Maxime Comtois, So that's a hit, and a Casey Middlestat significant selection. So I'll put both those cards in the hits. And, you know, a Sabres hit makes it a winner already. So we've got 2026 Donruss. I was hoping there's something in there. It's a pretty thick pack, but I guess it's just how many cards are in here. All right, good luck on pronouncing these. Here we go. Hideki Matsui. Okay. Rhett Lauder. Okay, we're going to do this. Barry Larkin. Christian Campbell. Roberto Alomar. And that's going to be a hit, some kind of parallel or whatever this is. It's not numbered, but it's a chrome parallel. Christian Campbell, so that can go in the hit pile. Barry Larkin. Oh, okay. We're going to do a lot of this. Christian Campbell again. Roberto Alomar. Satchel Paige. We have a rated rookie of Sung Mun Song. Someone tell me if that's any good. There's an optic of Byung Hyun Kim. There's a rated prospect of Gage Jump. Just put all those in base. I don't know if they are or not. We got a Nick Kurtz Bomb Squad, I think. Yeah, Bomb Squad. Put that in the hits. Ryan Waldschmidt, rated rookie. And Jefferson Rojas, rated rookie. When this is done, I might go through some of those and see if they're good or not. I don't know anything about baseball, like I always say. So we now got a 23 optic. Someone tell me in the comments if any of those are good if you want, but I'll look them up after. There we go. Brian Ulricher. A Jake Bobo, rated rookie. There's the hit. Saquon Barkley, rainbow optic, not numbered. And a Darius Slayton. Now we've got a pack of 25-26 Series 2. All right. Kirill Marchenko, Cole Perfetti, Jordan Greenway, no longer Sabre, Ryan Hartman, Frederick Anderson. There's a vibing of Spencer Knight. There's a UD Portraits of Jake Gunsel. And we get a Young Gun of Sam Dickinson. Those all go in the hits. Alright, base, Wyatt Johnson, blah, blah, blah. Alright, all that was base. We got 25 Stadium Club. I don't really know which one's winning. None of them are doing particularly well, in my opinion. A bunch of baseball I don't know, so I mean maybe they're doing better than I think they are. Trey Turner, Pedro Martinez, Garrett Cole. There's a red Michael King. Let's put that in the hits. There's a Savage Sluggers of Ken Griffey Jr. Cool card. Those would be the hits. Rafael Devers, Ellie De La Cruz, and Jordan Westberg. All right. 22 contenders. Let's see. Dante Johnson. Kirk Cousins. Stephon Diggs. Boy, is he in some trouble right now, it seems. Daniel Jones. A backwards card, which is a sticker auto of Curtis Hodges. So, there's an auto. And a Rookie of the Year, Isaiah Pichenko. We'll put that in the hits. All right, 22-23 Allure. All right, Jack Eichel, of course. Nikolai Ehlers. There's a black rainbow of Evgeny Kuznetsov, so we'll put that in the hits. There's a color flow of Alex, dropping a card over there. Vlasic, not numbered, blue-purple, so we'll put that in the hits. And we have an iced out of Sam Reinhart. Put that in the hits. Lucas Reichel, rookie. Jason Robertson, Joel Farabee. All right, last 3 packs. We got 24 Allen and Ginter. Man, 1 auto so far, no jersey cards. This isn't looking great. Jimenez, Winfield, Towers, Ekveres, Darvish, Arraez, Cycle Succession, so I'm guessing that's a hit. That's a hit. We've got a mini here of, is that Ellie De La Cruz? So I think that's a decent one. It's a rookie. Then we have Stump. I love Stump. So Stump's going to go in the hits. All right. 25 Topps Chrome. Okay. Let's see. Jerome Ford. Leonard Floyd. There's a Lamar Jackson Fortune. So that will be the hit. And a Dante Thornton Jr. All right, last pack. 25-26 OPG Platinum. All right, here we go. Brian Rust, Shane Wright, JT Miller, Cam Lund, rookie, Jacob Dylan, rookie, Violent Pixels there. Willie Ottavinayan, rookie. And it's a Skylar Brindamore, rookie of Violet Pixels to 299. Another marquee rookie of Taylor Ward. I think that's a rainbow. And there's a vibe check of Alex Ovechkin. And then base, Drysdale, Chitron, and Hughes. So, I don't know who won. 1 auto in there, I guess. Throw the mini. That's probably the most valuable baseball card I pulled too, as I throw it. I don't think I even had any numbered baseball cards in this one. The 1 auto came out of football. And then the hockey polls. I don't know. I really don't know who won, so let me know in the comments since I don't have a clue. I mean, there was a young gun in there. There's a couple, I don't know, maybe hockey won, maybe football, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video, another long one, and I will see you on the next one.